Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. Let's meet an unusual or uncommon native shrub. This is Croton, Croton alabamensis. You get to guess where it's from. Native to the southeast, and the scientific name of the genus is Croton. You probably know a bunch of tropical shrubs that are called Croton with big, brightly colored leaves. A common landscape shrub in the Fort Lauderdale area and other parts of South Florida. And they are cousins. They're both in the family Euphorbiaceae, the euphorbia family, and perhaps the tropical Crotons were once in the genus Croton, but they're now in the genus Codium. But this is not a tropical shrub. It's one that's fully hardy in zone 7, maybe even colder. And like most members of the Croton, of the Euphorbia family, they're not showy in bloom. Many of the ones we think of as showy have colorful modified leaves around the flowers. The Pointsettia is also a euphorbia, and it has the little yellow flowers in the center and the big leaves that are turned red or white. But this has tiny little flowers in the spring or early summer. But this time of year, it's really delightful because as it slowly loses its leaves, they turn a most delicious sort of soda pop orange. You can't get any more orange than that. And it's really a fun feature late in the fall. It's early December now. In the summer, the leaves are green, but they have this pretty, very silvery underside to the leaf. You know, when a breeze catches the leaves and they flutter in the wind, you get little flashes of the silver from the underside. It's a fairly rare native. Rare doesn't mean it's difficult to grow. It's just as easy as can be. You can grow it in sun. This is a location where it gets a bit of sun in the morning, but otherwise is shaded. Just average soil. There are a number of species in the same genus, Croton, that are native to the coast, that are dune plants. This is not one of them, but really easy, forgiving shrubs for a little bit of fun color late in the fall. Croton alabamensis. Thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.